See, this is problem number 20. Let me solve it. Right, find the mean of first 10 even numbers. You know what is even and as well as what is odd numbers. See, the number which is divisible by 2 is called as even number. So, let me list out 10 even numbers now. 2, right? 2 is an even number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? 16, 18, 20, 22. It goes like this. But they asked only 10. So, let me just check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only this much I need to take. So, mean is nothing but average, you know. So, now start with this. Average is equal to what? Average is equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observation. So, now sum, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20, that divided by how many are there? 10. Add it now. 2 plus 4, 6, that 12, 20, 30, 42. 42 plus 46, 56, 62, 72, 80, 90, 90 plus 20, 110. 110 by 10, which is nothing but 0, 0 will be cancelled. The mean of first 10 even numbers is 11. So, this is the answer.